Har Har Mahadev, I am Pralab from SP Podcasts by Square Petals Global Media Entertainment. Today we are starting religious podcast stream on the day of celebration, meditation and keen devotion, the Mahashivaratri festival. Welcome, dear listeners, to another enlightening episode of Bhakti Prabhav, a spiritual journey to explore the divine significance in life. Today we present insight into the history, rituals and blessings associated with Mahashivaratri, one of the most sacred religious day dedicated to Lord Shiva. Mahashivaratri, meaning, the great night of Lord Shiv, is an annual Hindu festival. It falls on the 14th night nearing Amavasya in the Hindu month of Falgun, that is, February-March. Devotees observe fasting and meditation, pray to Lord Shiv, offering milk, Gangajal, honey, flowers and Belpatra on the Shivling. The spiritual significance of Mahashivaratri symbolizes the convergence of Shiv and Shakti, as it was on this special night when Shivji got married to the beautiful and powerful goddess Parvati. The wedding site is called Rudraprayag now, located in Uttarakhand, and the temple of Tri-Yugi Narayan stands there. With the amazing wedding flames that continue to be lit even today from that wedding day of Almighty Shiv, Shakti, as a wonderful bliss. Mahashivaratri is therefore the celebration of the marriage of Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati. It is Shiv, Shakti ki bhakti. Also, as per yogic traditional belief, Lord Shiva became Adi Yogi, meaning the first yogi, on this very night, therefore it is a powerful night for meditation. Shivji is called Neelkant because during the Samudramanthan, or the churning of the cosmic ocean, Lord Shiva consumed a deadly poison, halahal, to save the universe from its drastic efforts. And consequently his neck turned blue, earning him the name Neelkant, meaning the blue-throated one. Devotees observe a strict fast, consuming only fruits, milk, and water, while some people fast without water, as well. Many temples and households host kirtans, bhajans, and prayers throughout the night. Shivling Abhishek is done. Offerings of milk, honey, water, Belpatra, and Dhatura are made to Shivji on Shivling. Each item has its own spiritual significance, like milk is for purity. Offering honey brings sweetness in life. Belpatra is a favorite of Lord Shiva and brings immense blessings when offered on the Shivling. It is thought to bring cooling effect on the Lord, to quench the burning effect of halahal poison. Dhatura and Bhang are Shivji's favorite offerings. The chanting of mantras. Om Namah Shivaya, the sacred 5-syllable mantra of Lord Shiva, is done in huge numbers. The Mahamrityunjay mantra is a powerful mantra for protection and health. Shri Shivaya Namastubhyam is the 6-syllable popular mantra. It is believed that on Mahashivratri, due to planetary alignment, the natural energies of the cosmos are at their peak, making it ideal for spiritual seekers. Therefore, meditating on this night aligns the chakras and promotes inner transformation. Fasting on this day detoxifies the body, boosts immunity, and enhances mental clarity. Mahashivaratri is celebrated with valor and vigor throughout India. The famous Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, holds grand celebrations. At Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, devotees take holy dips in the Ganges and visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Pilgrims trek to sacred sites of Kedarnath and Amarnath dedicated to Lord Shiva. In Tamil Nadu, the Pancha Bhuta Sthalam temples, especially Tillai Natraj temple in Chidambaram, hold grand rituals. To celebrate Mahashivaratri at home, create a sacred space with an image or idol of Lord Shiva. Light a diya and incense for divine vibrations. Perform Abhishek at home with water, milk, and flowers. Read Shiv scriptures like Shiv Puran and the Rudram Chamakam. We shall practice silence and meditation for a while, for spiritual upliftment. Mahashivaratri is not just about rituals but about transformation, devotion, and spiritual awakening. Whether you observe it through fasting, meditation, or prayer, the essence of this night is to elevate oneself towards higher vibration. Shivji is not a god up in the sky, he is a dimension we can access within, as said by Sadhguru. May the divine energy of Mahashivaratri bring your peace, wisdom, and enlightenment. Om Namah Shivaya.